Hi guys, I'm back with another dip powder mini. So today my daughter is back. She has graduated from college and she is now back home. So she wanted her nails done. So she chose these colors that I had from Beetles. So I prepped her nails. And I'm applying iGel Beauty's Bond. So this Beetles kit has nice vibrant colors in there. It retailed for $19.99 on Amazon. It came with the liquids, the file, the brush, and I think the cuticle pusher, and it came with a total of 6 colors. So not bad. So she wanted a multi-color mani. So I'm just using all of the colors that are in that Beetles dip powder kit except for the light orange color. So I will dip each nail twice, encapsulate and clear, and do the filing and buffing. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder mani. I'm going in after my filing and buffing and cleaning her hands with water to remove all that excess pigmentation from the powder. I'm going in and applying activator to all 10 nails, and I will use a wipe to wipe the excess activator off. Then I'll go in and apply 2 coats of the Beetles top coat. And so when you're applying top coat, the first coat should be 3, try to do it in 3 swipes across the length and the width of the nail, and wipe your brush off on a lint-free wipe before placing it back into the bottle. And then you want to immediately go in and do your second coat and allow that to dry. Y'all, my daughter's nails are so small. I could do most of her nails with just one with just dipping the brush in the bottle just one time. Like, I was able to do 4 nails before I dipped back into the bottle. I just wanted to say that she has the smallest, the tiniest nails. I should say petite nails, because she has very petite nails and petite hands to be an adult. I'm just saying. After her nails dried down, they dried in under 2 minutes, I believe. Here's the finished look. You want to make sure that you apply your favorite cuticle oil and massage that in. But before I go, this mani I did on July the 30th on her. Her nails grow really fast, but she keeps them short. It hasn't even been 2 weeks, and her nails have grown out significantly. Like, significantly grown out. So as far as wear for her, usually she gets about 2 weeks before they end up growing out. So that's the final picture, and then I'm going to insert a picture of her nails. And the other picture, this is the final picture, and then the next picture that you see I took today, which is Monday, August the 9th, and it hasn't even been 3 weeks, and she has all this grow out.